Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to import Minecraft words in Java. First of all guys, what we need is to bring out a map or a word that we want to import. What I'm going to do is search for CurseForge maps, and from there I'm going to go with Minecraft words. In here you can search for any map that you would like. For example, here I'm going to go ahead and search for Harry Potter and see if there is anything related to it. So Harry Potter in Minecraft, this is sounds like a map. You play Harry and travel from Nightcross to Hogwarts. Here there is many things, so I'm going with the map that has, for example, the world of Harry Potter, this one, so, or the latest one, which is 1.11.2. So let's go with this one, Quidditch map. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and then this is something to take in consideration. So if I went to files, the game version here is 1.11.2. So let's go ahead and click and download the file. That now we need to go ahead and wait a little bit. So 1 second, and here it is, the file downloaded on our PC. So what we need to do next is to simply open it and drag the file in it into the desktop, as you can see right here. Now I'm gonna close everything in my desktops like so. I'm gonna only keep this. Now what you will need to do next is to simply open it, make sure that the files in it are good, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on Windows R, go to App Data, and then click on Minecraft. From here, go to Saves folder, so here it is, and drag the file in here. What we need to do next is to open the game version 1.11.2. For you guys, open the version of the file that you have downloaded. So let's go ahead and open it. And here I am guys on Minecraft 1.11.2. Go to single player and open the word. This could be taking a little bit of time, loading version, and as you can see, it can be a little bit laggy because map has many things, and nothing has been ever loaded to your PC. And as you can see here, it is very much laggy, so I'm gonna click right here with my hand, and here we go. So now I am on this map. I'm simply gonna read this, and as you can see now, I am on this Minecraft world playing Quidditch with some random boats. So I'm now with the team Gryffindor, there is the team Slytherin. So yeah guys, there is many things to do. There is other things of course that you can download, but there is just a tip of it. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.